Hi everyone. I wanted to go over the Evaluate Research article assignment and the gather in small groups assignments. I've had a few questions about both of these items, and I felt like it might be good to go over those really quickly and kind of clear some of those up. So first things first with the Evaluate Research article assignment. So this is an individual assignment. You should be looking up your own article, and you should be analyzing that and using all of these questions, answering all of these questions to analyze it. So make sure that you go down this list of questions, answer every single one. It doesn't necessarily have to be in a particular format, although the reference does have to be an APA style. But I will say that often people who didn't go down the list of questions ended up missing some of the questions, and then that's obviously going to affect your grade. So you're going to want to make sure that you go through each of the questions and that you really demonstrate that you understand this article and you can see the connection to the topic. And also make sure that it's in your own words, because again, by re-explaining this in your own words, it helps me to know that you understood how this relates to the topic and you understood what you were reading. So that's kind of the Evaluate the Research article in a nutshell. Something to keep in mind, as you may have noticed, I don't know if you noticed, but originally this assignment was supposed to be done every single week in the course. We've now cut that down to more like every other week, although it may stop at a certain point. So as of right now, you will be doing this on lesson 3, which you just completed, and also in lesson 5. And then it's scheduled again for lesson 7. We'll let you know if anything changes, but for right now, plan that you'll be doing it on those odd weeks. Okay, so along with this comes the meet in your small group meetings, the gather in small group meetings. So as with the Evaluate Research article, this was originally slated to go every single week because it's supposed to kind of work in tandem with that individual assignment. So you were supposed to meet in these small groups. Well, now, because that assignment is every other week, meeting in your groups is going to be done every other week when you have that research evaluation due. And what you're doing is you're meeting in these groups to kind of help each other with that assignment, and help just give any insight or help that people might need reading through these articles. So again, that assignment is individual, and this small group meeting is just more of like a study group to help you understand this better. So you can see right here in this paragraph, it says, if you're having a hard time on anything, you can bring that to your group and share any questions you might have, and the group members can help you understand. And then your group can help you do parts of the assignment, but you should not and will not be able to do everyone's entire assignment as a group. So again, they're there to maybe answer some questions or clarify things, but you're not doing one assignment as a group. You're just kind of helping each other with your own individual assignments. Now, we had some questions about how to spend your time, and I think I misinterpreted what people were saying, or maybe my answer was misinterpreted. I don't care how you spend your time as a group. So if there's, 4 people in your group and 3 people feel like, I got this, I really don't need help, but one person needs help, that's fine. You can spend your time just helping that one person. But usually all 4 people might have a question here or there, or maybe you all just want to share something. You can kind of decide how to sort out your time, with the caveat that, again, you are doing your own assignments. So hopefully that helps clarify that a little bit. As we've kind of explained before, this is a pilot semester. This is the first time this class has been taught, and we are trying to kind of nail down these assignments, so I apologize for any confusion. There could still potentially be changes to these assignments, so plan for now that is kind of the plan that's in place, but if things change, we will try to let you know as soon as possible, and we appreciate your flexibility as we are trying to develop these assignments and really make them great. in terms of helping you to learn the material and helping you to be able to come together as classmates to help each other. So I appreciate your guys' flexibility, and hopefully this screencast has helped at least a little bit to clarify some of the issues that we've been having. Thanks, guys.